welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So for today's video, as you could see by the thumbnail and the title, it is a huge unboxing. Now I am doing this as a collaboration video with Amber, Amber J. She is an amazing girl and she has a YouTube channel, and she's doing this video exactly the same but with my box that I gifted her. So I will link it in the description for you so you can go check it out. But yeah, basically, if you haven't seen already, there's this thing going around where Saffron Barker and Anastasia did a lockdown swap box video. Obviously, it's the only collaboration they could do not together, so they sent each other a lockbox. They sent each other a swap box lockdown edition of things that have been getting them through lockdown, things to help each other get through lockdown. And Amber messaged me going, "Are you interested in doing it?" And I'm like, oh my god, I've missed doing swaps. I absolutely love them. And I love putting them on my channel. So I have got this massive box from Amber. It is literally taped shut and I'm really, really excited. So if you want to see what I got Amber, then click the link in the description after you've watched this video. But if you want to see what I got from Amber, then carry on watching. So I'm just going to cut this open. If you didn't know, me and Amber went to school together. That is how we know each other. Oh my god. Oh wow, she's done really well. Like, that cute little card. Let's read this first. We've done notes and stuff. She's used wrapping paper. I didn't have any wrapping paper, so I just did the best with what I had. Oh, my nose is so runny today. Oh, cute. I love that too, Lily. Shit, I spelt it wrong. Soz. Here's a few things to help you get through this lockdown. Quarantine essentials. Love, Amber. Cute. Okay, right. Now these I've seen straight away. Stackers from Aldi. They are Aldi's version of Pringles, and oh my god, this is my favourite flavour. Just put on the top. Snacks for a movie night. Snacks for any night, any day. But perfect. Thank you. And then we've got wrapping paper. We've got things wrapped in tissue paper. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I'm going to quickly show you. Oh, don't know how well you can see that, but look at all that. Right, I'm going to have to put it down because it is super heavy. Okay, so since we're stuck home, here's something comfy to wear and cute. Oh my god, they are so cute. Oh my god, they are so lovely. Oh my god, cute. Look at them. Oh, I don't actually have any proper slippers, but this is perfect for this time of year because although they're soft, they're not like closed slippers, and they are so cute. Thank you so much, Amber, because I know you love these. She did say things wrapped in tissue paper, snacks. Oh my god, this is so exciting. What is it? Oh my goodness, look at these. These are the angel slices. So I love the lemon ones, but I also love these. And these are also from Aldi. Cute. I'm going to put them in my cupboard so they don't go funny. Best served with a cup of tea. Now I have a feeling I know what these are. I've been getting into cup of teas recently. And I know Amber loves... Oh no, they're not what I think they are. Oh my god, yum. I'm going to put them in the fridge to try and solidify a bit. Dairy milk chocolate fingers. These were one of my favourite things as a kid. Oh my god. Yeah, I think they need to go in the fridge. But they are so cute. I know you love these, but have you tried this version? Tuck cheese sandwich. I have seen these, but I've never tried them. That's really interesting because I love Tuck original biscuits. Oh my god, they are one of my guilty favourites. But look how cute they are. All very nice. Thank you. Okay. Pamper time. I love to spend evenings in lockdown having a pamper evening. These will help. Oh my god, you and me too, girl. Like, pamper evenings are the best, especially after a long shift. What are these? Tea tree nose strips. Oh my god, I'm gonna be stocked up on nose strips for months. It's a pretty little thing. I didn't even know they sold these. Try and get them out of the packaging. Tea tree paw nose strips helps remove blackheads and reduce pore size. Vegan, enriched with tea tree oil. How cool is that? And I've got another pack here as well. Oh no, these are These are nose strips, and these are soothing gel eye patches enriched with collagen and cucumber, soothes skin. These look good. Face Facts, I think that's the brand, and you get 4 pairs of the eye gels, and then you get 6 strips in there. And this one's vegan friendly. I'm not sure about this one. This one is pretty vegan friendly, so pretty little thing. I think you can find these off. Thank you so much. Pamper Eve Essential. I love the wrapping paper, can I just add? Super cute. I'm feeling very summery. It's so hot at the moment, and also this top has just given me all the vibes. I wore it in my Superdry haul. What is this? I'm so bad at unwrapping things. No way. Oh my god. These are the Sheet Mask Duo Fresh Face Cucumber Sheet Mask with Ultra Soothe and Avocado Sheet Mask Super Moisture. 2 fibre masks made in Korea. I've seen this Korean skincare brand before. It's not tested on animals, suitable for vegans, gluten-free and sulfate-free. That's amazing. So that sounds so cool. Oh my god, I've got so many new things to try, and I really wanted to try some Korean skincare because I've heard they do some great stuff. This may seem strange, but trust me, it's amazing and essential for a pamper evening. Okay. I can see me and Amber had quite a common theme with our boxes, because my box theme for her was pamper, basically. Oh my god, it's the Holler and Glow Perk Patrol printed boob masks, firming printed boob sheet masks, sodium hyaluronate, something seed extract and something else, glycinerate, 15ml. Oh my god, that is so funny. I never even knew these were a thing. Never seen before. Boob enhancing masks to firm your pair. The intensely nourishing treatment will moisturise and smooth your assets back to their best, enriched with vegan ingredients. So ultra moisturising, nourishing and deeply conditioning. Apply to clean, dry skin. Unfold the sheet mask and apply over each boob. Remove the mask after 20-30 minutes and gently pat in the remaining essence. I never even knew this was a thing. Oh my god, I think I got a bit sunburnt today. Oh, I just noticed that. Blimey, I think I might need to put a bit of after sun on my shoulders. Yeah, thank you, Amber. I never even knew you could get printed boob sheet masks. Quarantine must have. There's one for your mum too. Oh, Amber, what are you so cute for? What are these? No, you didn't, Amber. Oh my god. Basically, you know, feeding my cocktail and alcohol in a can habit. So we've got the Grayson's Dry Gin and Tonic mixed to perfection. We've got the Premium Dry Gin and Tonic Limited Pink Edition. So I think that's like pink gin and tonic. And then we've got a Cosmo flavour cocktail. I don't know what's... Sounds very interesting. Cool, thank you so much, that's really sweet of you. See, this will help keep you busy and creative on your pin board. See, Amber's very good with like activities and extracurricular stuff. Me, however, I'm so lazy. I think now I work, I feel like I excuse myself for having really sluggish days, which should not be the case. Look, you've got a little selfie camera one, light bulb that says love. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my, like, Amber, you're so good with this kind of thing. Oh my goodness. Thanks for being a key worker. Use this to keep safe and stylish at work. So if you didn't know, I am now a carer in a care home. Oh my god. What the heck? Pretty little thing. Baby blue monogram fashion face mask. Oh my god, that's so cute. I can use this when I go out. Because I don't want to waste medical ones, and obviously that's what I use at work. Look how cute that is. I'm not going to put it on now because I've got no makeup on, but it's got PLT on. Oh my god, that is so cute. Amber, thank you so much. It's really pretty. Thank you. Feel amazing from head to toe. I do love the note she's put. It makes me feel a bit crap because I didn't do that good a note, I'm not going to lie to you. Oh, John Frieda Miracle Drops hair mask with shine infusing with liquid crystals. That is so cool. I actually just use the John Frieda Frizzies shampoo, which, can I just say, smells amazing. It's done an incredible job to my hair. God, I just can't stop looking at that. Oh my lord. Oopsies. But yeah, I underestimated how hot it was today, clearly. But yeah, I love John Frieda's shampoos. They're so good and work amazing for my hair. So I'm really excited to try that. Miracle Drops hair mask. Didn't even know they did that. Bring some summer holiday vibes to your night in during this lockdown. As I said, I'm terrible. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Derma V10, which is one of my favourite skincare brands, actually. That's where my favourite nose strips come from. Coconut body scrub. Gentle exfoliation for silky smooth skin. Yeah, I've got one of your dog hairs here, Amber. I've got Marnie's hair, but that's alright. Look how cute that is. Treat yourself. Oh my god, I love these. Yum. Haribo Giant Straws. I love the fizzy version, and I also love the normal version like this. Oh my god, I'm well stocked up. Thank you, Amber. These are really good. Who doesn't love a good Haribo? Okay, so we're on to the last three things. A little treat for your bath. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is just so exciting. What is it? Bath gem soak. Ooh. And a body fragrance. Permission to chill. Gem and body fragrance duo. I think that's what it's meant to say. This is what it looks like. Bath gem and body fragrance duo. From when you're hustling hard to chilling hard, this kit is fit for babes everywhere. Don't stress, hun. It's an ocean blue bath gem packed full of smoothing ingredients and bath salts for silky soft skin. Let's Go Coconuts is a sweet and fruity body fragrance inspired by love, fun and vacay. Run a warm bath and drop a gem into the water. It just looks like one gem to me. I'll understand when I use it. Watch it swirl and whirl, dissolving the bath salts, creating total zen. Let's Go Coconuts direction for use. Spritz all over for happiness. Oh my god, that is such a cute gift. This is also cruelty free and vegan. And you get 100ml body fragrance. And I absolutely love Body Mist. It's tropical pineapple, 100% vegan, 100% cruelty free. And I absolutely love Body Mist. I swear by Body Mist. I always have at least one or two in my handbag. That is super cute. Thank you so much, Am. And now I've noticed my sunburn. I can't stop looking at it. But thank you so much. Take time out to have a nice soak in the bath. Relax. Oh my god, this box is literally full of... No, you didn't. I think I saw this in... Oh my god, look at this. It is the So Sorry Not Sorry, psst, don't drink me, Milky Way Bay bath milk with cucumber and aloe vera. Soothing, be gentle. I believe you get these from Superdrug, if I remember correctly. It's sweet pea fragrance, not tested on animals, vegan friendly, soothing bath milk. And then it's got on the side, so when it's obviously full, let the fun begin. Pour some more. One bath to go. Oh my god, it says it looks like milk, but it's dairy-free, vegan-friendly. Simply pour in your hot bath and enjoy that Cleopatra lifestyle. As tasty as it makes your bath look, don't pour your cereal in and don't drink it. Caution. Packaging as well. Oh my god, Amber, you have fully stocked me up. Like, don't get me wrong. I'm still going to go into Superdrug and absolutely splurge when I get paid. But that is so cute. Pretty little thing. Yankee Candle. What are you are naughty, Amber. What have you got me? Oh, it's a... Can I smell it? Not really. It's a cute little... I didn't even know... I'm learning things about Pretty Little Thing. I didn't even know Pretty Little Thing stocked this stuff, you know? So I'm learning. One here. What scent have we got? Yankee Candle, Home Inspiration, Cherry Vanilla. Mmm. I'm going to be honest, I don't normally like vanilla scents, so when I saw it I was a bit like, oh no. But my god, the cherry really hits you more than the vanilla. Vanilla. Oh, that is good. Oh my god, I love having a good candle at the side of my bath. Pink Sands is my holy grail Yankee Candle scent ever. And obviously I've got my massive jar that I got from a car boot sale years ago. And that still hasn't like been all used up, which I'm really happy about. And I am going to buy more off this website that I found Yankee Candle on, which is great. But this is really cool. And now I know Pretty Little Thing stock Yankee Candle. I might just have a look on Pretty Little Thing, you know. But yeah, Cherry Vanilla. fragrance in every burn. How cute is that? I love the little jars because they last really long, but they just don't take up as much space. So thank you so much. So, oh God, it's all going to slip out, but that is everything. This swap box. Oh my God, Amber, honestly, I'm going to message you right now. This is absolutely incredible. You've absolutely smashed it. I hope you enjoyed watching all this video, guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited to use this stuff. Like, I'm fully stocked up now. I technically have no excuse to buy myself more Pamper stuff, but does it mean I'm not going to? Of course not, but we won't talk about that. But I'm so super grateful for everything you got me, Amber. Honestly, I am absolutely blown away. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, because there are so many videos coming your way, guys. Honestly, I cannot even express. And there's also quite a few giveaways coming as well, so keep your eyes peeled for my 1,500 subscriber giveaway, because there's going to be 3 winners, and I've never had that many winners before in a giveaway, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But yeah, thank you so much, Amber. I've really enjoyed doing this. It's one of the funnest things I've ever done. I love doing swaps, and I'm sure me and Amber will do more swaps in the future, because this was just epic. But this is just, you absolutely smashed it, honestly. You have blown me away. So thank you so much, Amber. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and keep your eyes peeled for my next vlog or video. See you next time. Bye. Good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.